Happy birthday, man. You 2 years old. I'm 2 years old. You still tired? You had a long night partying with mommy. Look. Oh, you got presents. Oh my gosh. He didn't see everything yet. Happy birthday, man. Oh, and the basketball. You got a basketball? You can see? Oh my goodness, man. You see your stuff? He's still trying to wake up. He want to look inside. It's your birthday, man?
No.
It is Brother's birthday.
No.
It is Brother's birthday.
No. She got football.
There's a football, basketball. I'm not ready, Daddy. Don't make him upset on her birthday. Too cute. Your turn. Go, man. Get it. Ooh, you crossover. Look at that. Brother's birthday. Yay. Yay. Brother's birthday's today. How old are you, Lennox? Say 2 years old. Yeah. Yeah, so we're on break right now, so you gotta wait a second, okay? Because it's time to take a break. You gotta take a break. Everybody has to take a break. Well, Did everyone have fun?
Yeah.
Yay! Everyone have fun. I am mortified because my son decided to shit in the pool. Poop in the pool. Excuse my language. So we left very swiftly. Had to throw away his trunks and all that. So he's in the back right now just living his best life because, hey, it's his birthday. But let it be known, from now on until he can tell me that he has to do number 2, he will be wearing a little swimmers while he's at the pool. Like, I can't believe that just happened to me. So today's also Candy. So today is Lennox's birthday. So earlier part, we just ate breakfast or whatever like that, and then I brought them to the pool. Yes, ma'am. Okay, you just had candy. Brought them to the pool. And I look. Eat it, Lavender. It's all gone. It's all gone. We came to the pool around got here about 2-ish. So we spent 2 hours at the pool. Now we're about to go home, eat, and get ready for the next surprise for Lennox's birthday. He'll probably be asleep in the next 10 minutes, really. All of them probably really would be. But, yeah, so that's what's on the menu because it's my baby's birthday. So, yeah. Hey, your birthday, man?
Pardon?
Mommy, look, Mommy.
Yeah, it's lumber.
Who cut
Hey.
the tree?
We'll see y'all at the next
Mommy, who
surprise.
cut the tree?
Who cut the tree?
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah.
baby.
Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby.